Relay is a device that opens or closes the contacts to cause the operation of the other electric controls. It works on the principle of an electromagnetic attraction. When the circuit of the relay sends fault current, it will energize electromagnetic field which produce temporary magnetic field. The relay operates on both electrically and mechanically. It consists of electromagnetics and sets of contacts which perform the operation of the switching.
Now we talk about relay structure. General relay structure of a relay comprises of following parts. The first part is electromagnet. This part was made up with the help of coil. The second part is movable armature. This part was used in contact with the electromagnet. The third part is switch point contacts. The switch point contacts in a relay are used for the switching purpose. The last part is spring. The spring can be adjusted and was used also for the switching purpose of the relay.
Relay working concept is a very basic concept. It's easily a temporary magnetic field that's produced when a current is moving through a coil. This coil is producing an electromagnetic field that attracts the armature from point A to point B. And by this, we can control the movement of the current from the first circuit to the second circuit. And this is the principle that it depends on electromagnetic field which can be produced by one circuit to control other circuit.
In this circuit, when I connect the switch or close the switch, the power will come from the battery to the coil here and will produce a magnetic field. This magnetic field will pull this side of the switch to connect the other circuit. So the first LED will power on. Otherwise, when this switch is off, there is no current moving in this circuit. Therefore, there is no magnetic field and the switch will remain the same and the second LED will be connected. We can see that from the simulation. So when there is a current here, there is a magnetic field, so it pulls this side of the switch and the first LED will power on. And when I just switch off, there is no more current here, therefore there is no more electromagnetic field and the switch will return back to its initial position.
As we can see here, this is the relay, and now we have two terminals. The first one is the normally closed terminal and the second one is the normally open, and here is the switching between them. So we can hear the voice, the sound of the transmission between the two terminals, and we can see here that each time is transmitted the light is switched on because it has an external power source, which is this battery.